Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol PLUG. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like a few weeks worth of time, it's actually just the past few days broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame. I think it does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I have done this analysis in the recent past, so that's where these red and green line annotations are coming from. But want to get things quickly updated here. Although there's not a whole lot to update, it's been pretty boring the past couple weeks, past couple days, and I don't say boring in a bad way. It's just the price hasn't exactly, exploded upwards. But the key thing here is, where is boring taking place? What do I mean by that? Well, I'm defining boring as just kind of going sideways, sideways, sideways. Definitely not nearly as exciting as when the price is, exploding upwards like that. But the question becomes, well, where was the last time it was, quote unquote boring? And the last time it went sideways was down here. It just went sideways, sideways, sideways. Actually had a little slight downwards drift to it. But the key point here that I'm trying to get across is, well, this quote-unquote boring action is much higher than that action over there. Whoops, that was supposed to be black. There we go. Is higher than where it was over there. And that's just showing progress. So assuming, of course, you care about the big picture perspective, that's what it's all about. You want to see the bulls making progress. Now, if you're a day trader and you bought right there and you wanted to sell within 8 seconds, then yeah, for you, you're probably gnawing off your nails. Just come on, come on, come on. But taking a step back, looking at the big picture of things, the bulls still have plenty of opportunity and are doing a good job of building a higher base, and that's the name of the game. So I'm going to go ahead and get rid of that, do a little house cleaning. Yes, that line still pertains, but from a presentation standpoint, and I've not wanted a million lines everywhere. I want to try to keep this as clean as possible. So like I said, taking a step back, looking at the big picture, that first initial and key level of overall resistance, I should say, still up there at $1.23. It seems as though there's kind of a little miniature level of resistance in here right around $1.16, but I'm not going to mark that because with any sort of decent volume, I don't think that would put up much of a fight. So overall level, $1.23. As far as overall support, still have that level down there at 95 cents. But the nearer term one that seems to have really taken over now is that pink line there, which is the 200 period simple moving average, which is a good sign to see. So if you really want to get outside of the box, essentially it's kind of like a channel pattern right now, and the channel is hovering between these kind of couple levels right here. So it's just kind of one of those patterns now where you just kind of got to pop your popcorn, sit back, and see what happens. So all in all, I realize, yeah, the past couple of days haven't really been that exciting, but still healthy from a big picture perspective. One of the most popular questions I get is, hey, Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together this free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then by all means, click right there to get access to the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and like I say, it is free. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.